Hello everyone, I'm with you with another video for QGIS tutorials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add two different kind of vector data to your QGIS projects. The first one is a GeoJSON and the other one is a ESRI file GeoDatabase. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to the area in City of Vancouver in Canada and I'll show you how to download the layers from their open data portal. First of all, I would like to add the OpenStreetMap layer to my project. So from the browser window, just go to the XYZ tiles, open it up, drag the OpenStreetMap, and zoom in to the area that you would like. So in this case, it's going to be City of Vancouver in Canada. So I'll just zoom into the Lower Mainland. You can see the OpenStreetMap layer for Vancouver. So what the layer that I would like to add into my project is the bikeways. So just open up your browser, go to the City of Vancouver Open Data Portal, and just pick the catalog tab. And here you can search for bicycles or bike. That's the keyword that you can use to search. The bikeways layers here, just open up the bikeways, and on the export tab you can see different kind of formats for this layer that you can download. So here I'm going to download the GeoJSON, so just click on that one and save it into your folder. I've already done that, so just cancel this, go back to QGIS. So in the browser window, go to the folder that you saved the GeoJSON file. So you can see that the bikeways GeoJSON is here. The easiest way to load it is to just drag it and drop it to your map. The other way is to just go to the layer menu from top, go to add layer, add vector layer, and pick the file as a source type, and just browse to the folder that you have save the GeoJSON file and click add, and you can see that in the layers it's already added. Okay, I'll close this window and I can just change the color to maybe something dark. So we can see that the bikeways layer from the City of Vancouver Open Data Portal has been loaded. So you can definitely identify the features of this layer, and you can query, and because you already downloaded this into your computer and it's not a web service, you can also edit the data if you want. The other type of vector data that I would like to show you in the second part of the video is a ESRI file GeoDatabase. So you might think that you're not able to load it to the QGIS. That's wrong. You can do it. What I've done, I've downloaded the street center lines layer from the City of Surrey Open Data portal. Again, in order to do that, you can go to their website, which is called City of Surrey Open Data, and you can search for the center lines or street center lines or road center lines. Then you will go to this page, and on dataset tab you can download this layer in different formats. I've already downloaded the file GeoDatabase. When you download this one, it's a zip file. You need to unzip that one inside the folder. I've already done that as well. And then in that case, when you go to your folder, you can see the GeoDatabase folder or data, which is loaded into your favorite folder or the browser window. And if you open up the GeoDatabase, because it has only one layer, that's road center line. So again, you can go and drag it and drop it into your map. It's going to give you this message regarding the actually data reference or the coordinate systems. Just hit OK, and you can see that all these street center lines for the city of Surrey has been loaded. Same area. You can identify, you can query, and you can change the shape, symbology, and the color of these layers in QGIS. So hopefully you've enjoyed in this video, and I'll see you in next videos. If you really think these are good videos for you and you're enjoying these, please subscribe to our channels. And if you would like to be notified every time that we upload a new video, please hit the bell button so you get a notification. Thank you. See you later. Bye.